Hello guys, today I bought Redmi Note 14, which is not a high-end smartphone, but my intention was to have a replacement phone in case my daily phone is damaged, which actually has happened lately, because my POCO X6 Pro has some issues and I cannot fix it now, so I was forced to buy a replacement replacement smartphone, and my choice was that one, Redmi Note 14. Unfortunately, the camera is full HD, if I'm not wrong. The capacity of the battery is quite high, 5500. It has MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra processor and 120 Hz display refresh rate, so I believe it should be alright. Let me just get it out from the cover. I think I have to unseal this. And I wanted a light blue color. Oh, it doesn't come off nicely. Maybe now. Yeah. Alright. It's dual SIM. I believe it is 4G. And yeah, this is the one. I will be switching it on later, not now. Maybe I will plug in for charging. Anyway, thank you for watching my short video. Greetings, cheers.